Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rama and today I'm going to show you guys a little tutorial how to make effect on Photoshop. So I'm good I'm going to show you guys how to make this effect on Photoshop. I call this triangle glow effect. So how can we make this? So it's easy. Just open your Photoshop. So I already opened it. And then just pick one of your best picture, maybe on your file or maybe on internet. Just maybe you like or your favorite. Just put it on Photoshop. And then all you have to do is go to pen tool or click P on your keyboard. Click pen tool and then make triangle in this area. Oh yeah, if you guys on your pen tool still on pad, so if you first time using Photoshop it's going to be fat, so change it on shape and then you change your color stroke. Just click here and then click on here. Just change to whatever color you like. I'm gonna use white. And then the stroke, just choose whatever pixel you like. I'm gonna choose maybe on 70 pixel is enough. And then we'll start going to make a triangle behind this girl. So like this. After we make a triangle, we're going to give this triangle a glow effect. How can we do this on Photoshop? So you see this little button here on Photoshop below the layer. Click on it and then choose blending options. Click. Go to outer glow. Click. Use screen, opacity, whatever you like, and then I'm going to make the spread 20. I'm going to choose 20 spread, and then the size I'm going to choose max 250, and then range I'm going to make it 100%. Maybe I'm going to make the spread a little bit big. I'm gonna choose 30 maybe, just like so, or maybe 25. Alright, 25 is enough. Oh yeah, and then after you put outer glow, don't forget to put inner glow inside of your triangles. Just click on here, inner glow in here, and then click on here, bigger noise, like so, and make the opacity like 100, so it's going to be very low. And then I'm gonna make the choke bigger and the size make it to 150. And then maybe I'm going to make the chokes more bigger, like 100. And then the range, maybe I'm gonna make it a little slower, maybe 20. And we're not going to change anything in jitter or on contour, so just click OK. So as you can see, it's glowing triangle. But like on the previous photo, the triangle is behind this girl. Yeah. So how can you change this? It's easy. We're going to make her head be is in front of this layer. So we're going just to crop this area. How can we do this? Just go to layer and then just duplicate it by Control C and V. Just copy paste the layer, or maybe just right click and then click duplicate layer. Where is it? Duplicate layer, click, and then just click OK. So it's going to be layer 1 copy and then put it on top. So the layers it's on top, but the shape, you can see the shape because it's behind the layer. We're going just to crop her head. So how can we do this? So we're going to use object selection tool, click, and then just click drag on her head. So we're going to wait. It's going to a little long if your laptop doesn't strong enough. Alright, this is not that good. I'm going to write this. It should be done. And then after that, we're going to click Control. We're going to click Control G. After that, as you can see, it's going to be her new head. As you can see like here. And then after this, you can delete the layer 1 copy. Just click delete and then click yes. So this is the head of the girl, but the hair is still not looking good, so we're going to fix that. So how can we make it a little good? So we're going to alright, so the shape is not looking good. As you can see, there's still black on it. We're going to fix that. So how can you do that? Just click select and mask to refine the selection, and then we use overlay. Click on overlay, and as you can see, this black is very bothering. And then we're going to big the radius a little bit. If your laptop doesn't strong enough, it's going to be so long just to drag this thing. Alright, maybe I'm not gonna change this 0 pixel, but I'm gonna refine this, just bigger the smooth. And then, alright, I'm gonna big this. I'm gonna change the radius setting too. Maybe 9 pixel is enough. And it should be done. It's going to be a little long because, yeah. And then after that, just click OK. And then click Ctrl G. After that, just making a new layer like previously. Click and layer 1 copy. You can just hide it or you can just delete it. there is our triangle. But the hair is very bothering us. How can we fix this? Of course, is delete it using eraser tool or click E and then make it a little bigger. Maybe it's too big, 350, and then we just delete this area, and as you can see, boom, we're just going to delete this, only this layer, but not delete the entire layer. After that, this is our triangle, but this is not enough. This is not that enough because, as you can see, this is very glowing, not like this. This is still kind of suck. Oh yeah, and this triangle is big, and this is not that good. So I'm gonna change the triangle. Alright, so I forgot how to change the triangle shape. I'm very sorry, but I'm still going to show you how to make these more glow. Alright, just click plus here and then move the layer on top of the shape and just use the brush tool or click B and then change it to soft round fresher opacity and then make size more bigger. I'm gonna choose 500, 1000 is too, maybe 800. Alright, 800 is enough. No, maybe 700. Boom, 700 is enough, yes. And then lower the opacity, maybe 20, yes, maybe around 20. And after that, start drawing like this. Oh yeah, it's still on black color. We're going to change that color to white first, I forgot. So click on here and change it to white. Okay, and then boom, more glow. Maybe I'm gonna turn it low to 9%, right? And maybe this is not 700, this is maybe 800. Boom, and then just make it triangle like this. It's going to be more glowing, but I'm gonna delete it again because I thought it's not, it's too small. Maybe 900. Alright, 900 is enough. And then as you can see, the effect is more glowing. And now, after it's done, we're going to make this layer into overlay. Wait, vivid light, or maybe vivid light more better. Alright, vivid light. After that, it's done. And if you want like to make like a little detail, like on these glasses, there's white like on her glasses, we're going to make that too. And how can you make this? So as usual, just click this duplicate layer, just click duplicate layer and then click OK, and then we're going just to select her glasses. So just click object selection tool and then choose her glasses. Boom. And then just click Ctrl G. Just select this layer to copy. Boom. And then click new layer, and then just click create clipping mask. Use the brush tool again, and then make it on her glasses a little below, like so. Boom, as you guys can see, this is her glasses more glowing. After that, it's done. Maybe you guys ask, like, what is this? Why this is like more darker in around her? I'm using shadow vignette. So I'm gonna add it too on this. So just drag shadow vignette to here, and then just click Ctrl T, and then move it like this. It's done. If you want the vignette shadow too, you can search it on Google. There's a lot on it, and then if you're done, just save it on your document. Save on your computer, and then you can save it anywhere you want, and you can export it to if you want to render your file, you can export it. You can put it anywhere you want on your folder, of course, and that's it.